In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications from Google Calendar if your Google Calendar alerts are becoming distracting. The good news is that it only takes a moment to adjust them. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the notification settings and how to turn them off or change the way they appear, so your calendar works the way you want it to. To begin, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once the calendar loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the settings gear icon. This is where Google Calendar keeps its general preferences and alert controls. Click that gear icon and then select settings from the menu that appears. After the settings page opens, focus on the panel on the left-hand side. You should see different categories related to your calendar preferences. Under the General section, click Notification Settings. This is the area where Google Calendar lets you manage how notifications are delivered and what style they use. Now that you're in Notification Settings, you'll see the available options for alerts. Depending on your current setup, Google Calendar may be configured to show browser notifications, interruptive alerts, or other notification styles. Use the drop-down menu in this section to turn notifications off completely, or switch them to a style that feels less disruptive. If your goal is to stop pop-ups or desktop alerts, make sure you choose the option that disables those notifications. If you still want reminders but in a quieter format, you can select a less intrusive style instead. This gives you a bit more control without needing to stop using reminders altogether. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that notification behavior can sometimes depend on your browser settings as well. So if you make changes here and still notice alerts, it may be worth checking whether your browser has permission to show notifications for Google Calendar. But in most cases, updating the setting in this menu is all you need. Once you've made your selection, your changes should apply automatically. There's usually no need to click a save button, which makes the process quick and simple. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn off notifications from Google Calendar by opening Google Calendar, going to the settings gear, selecting settings, choosing notification settings under General, and then updating the notification style from the drop-down menu. If you want a quieter, less distracting calendar experience, this is one of the easiest settings to adjust.